Hello everybody, Chuck Wick here again from Baldwin Filters. I have two brand new fuel water separating filters for you today that are getting ready to hit the market. The PF46287 and the PF46288. These two filters are packed full of features and I'm going to hit you with them real quick. For our applications, the PF46287 is for international, MAC, and Western Star applications. And the PF46288 is for our customers with Western Stars that use the Detroit diesel. Both of these filters had the features that you've come to expect from a Baldwin. A one-piece end cap design that has an integrated change line to make sure that you change your filter at the proper change interval. A high-efficiency media that holds all the dirt that you need to hold in your application. It has a multi-stage fuel water separation system that keeps that fuel clean and dry. Even though these two filters look very similar, I want to tell you that there's slight differences. The PF46287 has a keyed feature in the bottom. The PF46288 does not. Please check your application guide to ensure that you get the right filter for your application. Run out and get one of these new filters at your local Baldwin distributor, and we'll see you next time.